Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a sticky animation like Rico animation here. Maybe you love to watch Rico animation in YouTube, for example. So if you want to create one of this animation, you can use this one, Free Animation Maker by Adobe Express. Makes animated videos in a minute, so you can quickly animate a character for free using your own audio or recording. And also, video animation has never been issued by this Adobe Express, so you can create now, free to use, no credit card required. And don't forget to sign in with your account before we start. And here we go. So you can record your character dialogues or browse. The type of file is MP3, AIF, WAV, and MP4 files, 2 minutes and 1 GB maximum per upload. So here we go. This is the character that you can choose. So here you cannot create by yourself in a moment. So you just can create using default template, and also here the background, make sure you have a good internet connection or it will be like this, take time to load. And here, for example, let's this is the Magnusson. There is a name, Magnusson in the dungeon, or Magnusson going to the circus, and also Magnusson an office copy room, for example. And this is the size, so you can custom your aspect ratio, for example, for Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. This is the landscape, short. And after that, you can record your own sound, or you can use this enhanced speech, make voice recording sound as if they were recorded in professional studio. So you can consider to turn this on. Then you can start record. After that, after you're done, you can follow the instruction to upload your animate characters. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, click the button below. See you in the next video.